My head is strong. My head is so strong. Hey folks, you want to see how strong my head is? You want to see how strong my head is? I'm going to show you guys today how strong my head is. Well, hey, I am going to take this pot. You see this pot? This pot weighs 15 pounds. It's a big, stink, heavy pot. Look inside the pot. Look on the side of the pot. Look at around the pot. And look behind the pot. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to drop this pot on my forehead. I'm going to take this pot and drop it right here. And that way you guys will know that I have strong head. My head is strong. I have a strong head. Strong head. Snaky crow, shaking a quack, 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 bum, bum. I didn't do it right the first time. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to drop this pot on my forehead. Watch how strong my head is. You guys ready? Here I go. Here I go. Let's do this. Ready? I'm going to drop this pot on my head. Right on my head. Ready? Let's go. Let's go.
Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near?